Imagine the aroma of wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard. The crust perfectly charred, the cheese bubbling, and the smoky flavor transporting you to an Italian pizzeria. With this EasyPizza 12-inch pellet pizza oven, this dream becomes reality. This portable, wood-burning outdoor pizza oven delivers restaurant-quality pies in just 90 seconds, solving common cooking frustrations with its innovative design, safety-first features, and user-friendly operation. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or a backyard chef, this oven is your ticket to culinary stardom. Let's dive into why this pizza oven is a game-changer for outdoor cooking. Solving common cooking problems. For home cooks, achieving authentic wood-fired pizza has often been a challenge. Traditional ovens can't reach the high temperatures needed for that crispy, leopard-spotted crust, and many portable pizza ovens are either too bulky, hard to clean, or unsafe due to poor insulation. The EasyPizza 12-inch pellet pizza oven tackles these issues head-on. Low heat issues. Unlike standard ovens capped at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this oven hits 350 degrees Celsius, 660 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes, ensuring Neapolitan-style pizzas with puffy crusts and melted toppings. Uneven cooking. The optimized curved design and air duct system promote even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots that burn one side while leaving the other undercooked. Safety concerns. Poorly insulated ovens can be hazardous, with flames shooting out or exteriors too hot to touch. EasyPizza's triple-layer insulation and widened fire baffle keep flames contained and the exterior cool. Cleanup hassles. Ash buildup and stuck doors plague many ovens. The external pull-out fuel tray simplifies ash removal, and the custom hanging door prevents jams caused by heat expansion. Key features. Rapid heating. Reaches 350 degrees Celsius, 660 degrees Fahrenheit in 20 minutes, cooking 12-inch pizzas in 90 seconds or less for quick, delicious results.
Triple-layer insulation.
Stainless steel interior, low biopersistent superfiber, and powder-coated carbon steel exterior ensure excellent heat retention while keeping the outside safe to touch. Premium cordierite pizza stone. The 12mm thick low-expansion stone is crack-resistant, withstands high temperatures, and is safe for direct food contact. Built-in thermometer. No need for an extra infrared thermometer. Monitor stone temperature with ease for precise cooking. Widened fuel tray. Holds more wood pellets, reducing the need for frequent refills, and features an external pull-out design for effortless ash cleanup. Custom hanging door. Solves the common issue of stuck doors due to heat expansion, ensuring smooth operation every time. Portable design. Lightweight at just 22 pounds, with foldable legs for easy transport to backyards, camping trips, or tailgates. Who is the EasyPizza 12-inch pellet pizza oven perfect for? This oven is ideal for pizza enthusiasts. If you dream of crafting authentic wood-fired pizzas at home, this oven delivers the high heat and smoky flavor you crave. Backyard entertainers, perfect for hosting pizza parties, barbecues, or family gatherings with quick cook times to feed a crowd. Outdoor adventurers, its lightweight, portable design makes it a great companion for camping, tailgating, or beach cookouts. Beginner cooks. The intuitive controls, built-in thermometer, and easy cleanup make it accessible for those new to wood-fired cooking. Foodies with small spaces, compact yet powerful, it fits on patios, balconies, or small gardens without sacrificing performance. Why choose the EasyPizza 12-inch pellet pizza oven? The EasyPizza 12-inch pellet pizza oven isn't just another outdoor cooking gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Its rapid heating and even cooking ensure every pizza is a masterpiece, while the triple-layer insulation and safety-focused design give you peace of mind. The premium cordierite stone delivers consistent, high-quality results, and the portable, user-friendly features make it a joy to use, whether you're at home or on the go. Compared to competitors like Uni or Gosni, this oven offers similar performance at a more accessible price point, without compromising on quality or safety. The verdict: the EasyPizza 12-inch pellet pizza oven is a must-have for anyone serious about outdoor cooking. Its combination of rapid heating, superior insulation, and user-friendly features makes it a standout in the crowded pizza oven market. Whether you're hosting a backyard pizza party or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this oven delivers authentic, wood-fired flavor with minimal effort. Its portability, safety, and versatility make it a worthy investment for pizza lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.